How to recover permanently deleted text messages on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open text messages app, then click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on archived, which is below profile. Then if there is nothing in archived, go back. Again, click on your profile. After you have clicked on your profile on top right, you will find spam and blocked. Click on spam and blocked because sometimes text messages will be in there. If there is nothing, simply go back to settings, open settings and scroll down till you find system. Click on system and then you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on backup. In backup, if there is some things like GB or KB in SMS and messages, simply go back and then click on reset. As you can see, reset options, but before doing this, make sure all your data will be removed. If you click on reset, after reset, you can simply open message and it will be restored. If you don't want to lose any data, don't do that. After that, open Google and search Tenors Share, click on all data and then install this app. After you have installed this app, open it and then click on Recover Social App Messages at the bottom. Press on Continue at the bottom. Authorize everything and then make sure you turn on messages and then press on Continue at the bottom. After that, click on Confirm. Again, click on Confirm, and if you have any messages that was deleted, you will find it in here. As you can see, no messages notification detected. And this is how to recover permanently deleted text messages on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for joining.